Spark plugs ensure reliable ignition, smooth engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and easier vehicle starting. Today's video is about top 5 best spark plugs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SYKRSS spark plugs. The SYKRSS spark plugs and ignition coil kit is a convenient replacement option for select Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and CX-7 models. The package includes 4 ignition coils for spark plugs and an installation manual, making it a practical all-in-one solution for routine ignition system maintenance. The coils and plugs are made with high-temperature resistant materials and are designed to meet or exceed OE specifications for fit, form, and function. Replacing worn ignition components can help address common issues such as hard starting, misfires, rough running, stalling, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. I also appreciate the direct replacement design, which is intended to make installation quick and straightforward. With multiple OE reference numbers provided, checking compatibility is important before ordering. Overall, this kit offers a convenient combination of essential ignition components for restoring dependable starting and smoother engine performance. Now our second product is Decol spark plugs. This ignition coil and spark plug kit is a convenient replacement option for select Acura and Honda 2.4 LL4 models. It includes 4 ignition coils and 4 premium Iridium spark plugs, providing everything needed for a complete ignition system refresh in one package. The coils are built with copper windings, silicon steel cores, and heat-resistant epoxy resin for stable power transfer and durability. The Iridium spark plugs feature a precisely welded center electrode designed to deliver a concentrated, consistent spark while requiring lower ignition voltage. The kit is intended to help address common issues such as misfires, rough idling, poor acceleration, and inconsistent ignition, while supporting smoother engine operation and fuel efficiency. The plug-and-play design also makes installation more convenient. With spark plugs rated for up to 100,000 miles, this kit offers long-term value. Overall, it's a practical choice for restoring dependable ignition performance, provided your vehicle matches the listed fitment. Our third product is ACT-Delco spark plugs. ACT-Delco GM Original Equipment Iridium spark plugs are a solid choice for drivers seeking dependable ignition and long-term durability. Designed as an exact replacement for original components, these plugs use Iridium for its high melting point, strength, and excellent wear resistance. The Iridium construction is designed to support stable engine idling, reliable cold starts, quick acceleration, and smooth overall performance. Another useful feature is the 3-piece fired-in suppressor seal, which helps meter spark energy for longer electrode life while reducing combustion leakage and blocking radio frequency interference that could affect vehicle electronics. I also appreciate that these GM original equipment parts are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, with GM engineers validating them specifically for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles. Overall, these spark plugs offer a dependable OE-style replacement with durable materials and consistent ignition performance, making them a practical option for routine maintenance or replacing worn plugs. Now number 4, Filltop spark plugs. This complete ignition tune-up kit is a convenient replacement solution for the 2008 to 2015 Mazda 5, except 2011 models. It includes 4 UF604 ignition coil packs and 4 premium Iridium spark plugs, providing the essential components for refreshing the vehicle's ignition system in one package. Designed to match OE specifications for fit, form, and function, the kit is intended to support dependable starting, stable idling, smoother acceleration, and consistent engine performance. The strong and stable spark output can help address common symptoms of worn ignition components, including misfires, rough idling, hesitation, hard starts, and loss of power. Having both coils and spark plugs together also saves the hassle of purchasing components separately. Installation is designed to be straightforward for compatible vehicles. Overall, this kit offers a practical way to restore ignition performance and maintain smooth engine operation. Be sure to verify your vehicle's year, make, and model before purchasing. And our last choice is Decol spark plugs. This ignition coil and Iridium spark plug kit is a convenient replacement option for select Chevrolet, Pontiac, and Toyota 1.8 LL4 models. The complete package includes 4 ignition coils and 4 Iridium spark plugs, making it easy to refresh the ignition system without purchasing components separately. The coils feature copper windings, silicon steel cores, and heat-resistant epoxy resin, designed to provide stable high-voltage output and dependable durability. The premium Iridium spark plugs use a precisely welded center electrode for a concentrated, consistent spark and are designed for long service life. Replacing worn ignition components can help reduce common problems such as misfires, rough idling, hesitation, hard starting, and loss of power. The direct OE-style fit and plug-and-play design also make installation more convenient. Overall, this kit offers a practical combination for restoring smooth ignition performance and reliable engine operation. Be sure to verify your exact vehicle and engine configuration before ordering. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.